finally the moment we've been waiting for. The designer-inspired handbags, Valentine's Day sleepwear. This is so nice if you have like on an all-black outfit and you just want that little extra pop. It looks so bougie, so cute. Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for you, and in today's video I have a Temu Valentine's Day haul, so stay tuned. So I got this big bag from Temu. Today's video is sponsored by Temu. Thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring this video. This is a Temu Valentine's designer inspired haul. I have some awesome designer inspired things in here and I'm excited to share them with you. I also wanted to let you know to download the Temu app so that you can get $100 in coupon bundles. You can save even more money with those coupons. I also have an affiliate link which will help you to find every single item that you see in this video more easily, and some other things that I recommend from Temu. Here is my affiliate code. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description, so be sure to check the description for all of the links to all of these Temu items. So let's do some jewelry items first, since I have the least of jewelry items and they're all packaged in here. I'm gonna count shades as jewelry as well. So you know what? Let's start with the shades. I thought these shades were too cute. They come in different colors and they come in a box. I already took them out the box to save camera time, but I like the way these look. The only thing is this here, I thought it was gonna be like a heavy metal for some reason, because you know it looks like chains, but it's a light plastic, so you don't have to worry about it being too heavy on your face. But I'm excited just looking at them because I know when summertime comes, oh my goodness, you're not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Let me make sure the glare is not glaring too much. Look at these. Oh my goodness, I love them. Check out the Temu website so that you can get yourself some of these, because these are popping. These are popping. I love them. Okay, so next up are these super cute heart earrings. I love them because they have hearts on them. So it's like a black heart with some pearl flowers in the middle, and then the outside of it is like pearls. It kind of looks like a little heart bag in a way, because this looks like the handle for the bag, and it's just so cute for Valentine's Day. It is so cute. Let me try them on. Oh my goodness, I love these. Look, they're dangly. They are so pretty and they match what I have on. Oh, I like the way I look when I put my hair back and then let the earrings be the star. I think I'm gonna try that. I love it. And I'm gonna leave the price of everything very, very super affordable. I love these. So next up I have these designer inspired earrings, and you see what they say, cha. And then the rest of the word is so cute. Let me try them on. I'm like, which side are you supposed to put them on? Like the sha, does it go on this side? Or does it go on this side? We'll see. You girls, these are so cute. I don't know if I put them on right. I might have to switch it, but you get the gist of it. I like that it's diamonds and it's designer inspired, so you could get that designer look without the designer price. Again, I like it with my hair pulled back. Maybe I need to pull my hair back. But these are super cute, very affordable. Love it. So I tried to put everything in categories so that I can have everything organized. So next up we have some headgear, so some headbands, head scarves, and a hat. Designer inspired, of course. So let's start with the headband. It is really cute. It's white with black, and you can just put it on your head like this. This is really, really cute, but I have to fix my hair the way I want it to go. So, but look how cute this is. It's so cute and dainty. I have to fix my hair though, like put some in the front and then put some in the back. This is gonna definitely make my bad hair days much better, because you know, headbands and headscarves just add that little extra oomph to your outfit. And yeah, I think this is super cute. The bow on top, and it's very flexible. It's not one of those headbands that are so tight and then they give you a headache. And they have other colors, so definitely check out my links in the description. Next, designer inspired headband, head scarf. It is so pretty. You can also wear it as a neck scarf as well. You could wear them as a neck scarf if you want to just, you can wear it on the side of the name or the sign of the design. Oh my gosh, super cute. This is so nice if you have like on an all black outfit and you just want that little extra pop. It looks so bougie, so cute. And then you can also wear it like this. Now I'm not gonna mess up my hair right now, but I just want to show you that's the design and that's the name. And that's the name. I got another one that's black with some floral print, and then it has the name on the back. And again, you can be as creative as you want to be with this and wear it as a neck scarf, which is super cute. You can wear it on either side, the name side or the floral side. Either way is super cute. And this is like the opposite of the other one, because this one is white and black, and then this one is black and white. So I have options, you see? And then the same as, like, if you wanted to tie it and leave it like this for like a boho look, or tie it with a bow in the front, or just like have your hair all the way back. I'll do a separate video to show you how I use some of these, but this is so cute, so pretty, designer inspired. Next up, a designer inspired hat. I love this. Now if you look closely enough, you will see like the spelling here. If you know, you know, but nobody gonna be paying attention to you, child. You put on your hat. If you want to, if you're an influencer, you just want to take pictures, that's cool. If you want to wear it, well, I love it. They have white and black just the same. This is so cute, like with an all black outfit, and then you could probably have like a white or a cream bag and then let this pop out. Super cute. I love it. Just so you know, I really am super excited. Why? Because I take my time to pick stuff out on the Temu website, and I love when I get to take my time and just pick out everything, be detailed about everything that I get, make sure that I get what I want in the color that I want it, in the style that I want it. I just get excited because everything is delivered and they are on point. Temu understood the assignment. So for a non-clothing or accessories item, I got a mini hand mixer. This is like one of those frothers. Now I like to make cute little drinks, and I got it in pink. I got excited because I forgot what I picked, but I got a pink one. So it's like, you know, a frother. I've never had one of these, but I see like a lot of the girlies using it in their videos when they make their drinks. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna be using this in my vlogs. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see like the breakfast drinks I make and all of that good stuff. So I will definitely, let me see, it's battery operated. It does not come with the battery, so you're gonna have to add the batteries to it so that it could work. But you can make cappuccino, latte, mocha, frappa, coffee, floats, hot chocolate, smoothies, and more. So I'm so glad I got this. I look forward to making some Valentine's Day drinks and using my pink girly frother. So next up in this Temu Valentine's Day haul are clothing. I'm gonna save the designer inspired accessory bags for later. So let's look at some of the clothing. I needed some slouch socks, like some white socks slash, what else do they call these? Leg warmers. I live in New York City and it gets extremely cold. So I needed these leg warmers They look super cute and they're exactly what I needed, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. Sorry, I told you I live in New York City. They always doing something outside. Okay, so next up I got these designer inspired. If you know, you know who makes these. And these are the like shorter, I think they call them like booties, or like, what do they call them? Snow boots, but they're shorter. So these have the Sherpa lining in the middle. They're super comfortable with the red and white trim. These ones though are really, really lightweight. I've bought some before where the soles were a lot thicker. I feel like these are more like slippers or for lounging or around the house. You can opt to wear them outside, but again, the sole on these are not very, very thick. I've seen people do it, but I don't know. I don't think I personally would. Maybe in the springtime, that would make more sense, like in the springtime. But for winter, I don't feel like these soles are gonna hold through. They do have links with other ones that have thicker soles, but these are lightweight. So this is why I bought these, because when you wear these in the wintertime, you want your ankles and your feet to be warm. So this is a good combination with it. And I'll insert a clip of me wearing it so you can see what I'm talking about. So what would a Valentine's haul be without Valentine's Day sleepwear? So for sleepwear, I got this satin set. This is the top. So it's long sleeve and it's a soft blush pink with a black lining. It's buttoned down in the front and then pockets on the side and a nice collar there. And then these are the matching pajama pants. They're soft. They're so soft. They're lined, trimmed at the bottom with black. And I got them big because I just want to be able to move in these. I will try them on and show you how they look. Super affordable. This is perfect for Valentine's Day if you're getting together with your girlies to do like a Galentine's Day thing. This is perfect. I really love the feeling. I cannot wait to try this on for you guys. So finally, the moment we've been waiting for, the designer inspired handbags. I'm super excited. I'm gonna save the last one as like an unboxing, and these two I could just open up really quickly. So as you can see, the design here, if you know, you know, this is really good because I have these sandals, and when I wear them in the summertime, this is gonna be perfect. This is like, oh my gosh, this is perfect for the beach. This looks even better in person. You see the side of it, it's that wicker. I cannot remember the name of the fabric. Oh my gosh. This is okay, so this is canvas. That's what it is. Canvas, and you see the design here, so you know, and it's white in the back. This is very sturdy. This is perfect. I'm looking at it and I'm like, this is perfect for summertime, for the beach. Oh my goodness. I will do in a separate haul the sandals that I have that will match these perfectly. But this is a nice tote for the summertime. Oh my goodness. I'm happy because it's better than what I expected. Temu, you guys understood the assignment. Yes, and yes. Next up, a designer inspired. If you know, you know. Now it came flat in the bag, but I love the way this looks. This has that vintage designer bag look. You guys know what I'm talking about. It has the straps. It has everything except the logo on it. And this is faux leather, but I think they did a great job of making it look like leather. And it has one big compartment, no pockets or anything like that inside, but it looks very nice and chic and stylish. I will be doing a try on in a separate video so you guys can see, but look at that. Oh my goodness. I think they did a great job with this one. Again, I'm excited with everything that I got. I'm just so happy. Thank you, Temu. For the sake of camera time, I'm gonna show you how these bags look in a separate video. This is just an unboxing. It comes with a dust bag, and I'm putting it back in the plastic bag because I have to do other hauls for this as well. So now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the biggest designer inspired of them all. If you know, you know. So this is how it comes, and look at that. Oh my goodness, this looks, they did a really, look at this, guys. They did a really good job with this. They covered up the hardware as well. It's quilted, it's soft. Look at that back pocket, and it's red lined. Temu, you guys outdid yourself. Look at that, and then now the strap. So let's open it up. Let's open it up. Look at that. It has a zip here, red lining. Now you can't really, can you? Oh yeah, you can. You can put stuff in here. It's like a short pocket that you can put stuff in there. I will do a separate video showing you how I style this. Again, this is just the unboxing. So here's another compartment here. Okay, so you have the front compartment. It's lined in red, so you can put stuff here. Then the interior, lined in red with a magnetic closure right here for this one. Oh my goodness. And then this compartment in the back, lined in red, and then this here. So now inside this compartment that has the magnetic closure, I'm trying to keep it neat because I have to do other unboxings for this for Temu. Look inside. They have the pockets for the cell phone, and then this is the remainder of the strap because you're going to be able to adjust it. This is what the interior is looking like. It was stuffed to keep it, but they packaged it really well to keep the shape of it because you know with this designer bag, designer inspired, you don't want to mess it up. You want to keep the shape of it. You want to keep the hardware looking nice and everything else. But Temu, you nailed it. Just want to show you the adjustable straps here so that you can see that you can wear it like this, and then you can wear it as a crossbody as well. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Don't mind me, guys. I have a video shoot later on. That's why I'm already dressed. I had to make sure I got this content for you. Oh my goodness, I love her. Then you can adjust the strap and then wear it like this or like this. Oh my goodness, she is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I want to get the other colors that they might have in this. Very affordable. You're gonna see the price. I probably already put it already. I love it. Okay, you all, that concludes my Temu haul. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to get back to you. All the links for everything that you saw here will be in the description. Be sure to download the Temu app so that you can get $100 in coupon bundles, and definitely use my affiliate code, my link right here, so that you can have a direct link to everything that was in this video. Also, other things that I've purchased that you may want to see, I'll link all those videos, but definitely use my affiliate link. Follow me on Instagram for day-to-day OOTDs, styling, so much more, you name it. I love you guys. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment, like the video, share the video. I love you all.